What's up everybody, this is Siddharth, and as you notice the title, this is the world's slimmest smartphone. Yes, this is the Micromax Canvas Sliver 5. Not Silver 5, it's a Sliver 5. In the price point of 18,000 rupees, Sliver 5 launched in India with his slim form factor in 2015. But in 2017, this smartphone just rupees 6,200 rupees, almost $100. So that's why I purchased this smartphone from Flipkart in the sale of Big Billion Day. But there is a lots of con and lots of pros you can find in this smartphone. The battery is not that enough in this smartphone because there is only 2000 mAh battery you can get in this smartphone. But the in-hand feel, the look and feel of this smartphone is superior. The glass back, 5.1mm thickness, and the metal frame looks amazing. Because there was a glass back, that's why you can get lots of smudges and fingerprint you can find in this smartphone if you use without cover. But the good thing is that you can get a back case with this smartphone. Two things you have to remind with this smartphone, because this smartphone is a single SIM device and also you cannot expand the memory by using the micro SD card, because there is a one single nano SIM slot you can get in this smartphone. But good thing is that you get a 3.5mm audio jack is present in this smartphone. Many smartphone manufacturers skip the 3.5mm audio jack without any cause. So that's why I really like the Micromax and give a big thumbs up for not skipping the 3.5mm audio jack. Moving to the display. There is a 720p 4.8-inch AMOLED panel display. The color reproduction, sharpness are very crispy and punchy. If you take some photos and see videos, YouTube or movies, the colors looks amazing in this smartphone. The back side you get the 8MP Sony IMX219 camera with the single tone LED flash, and the front side you get a 5MP front-facing camera, and also front side covered with the Gorilla Glass 3 protection, so that's why you not get many kind of smudges or scratches in the front side. There's a one major con in this smartphone, you cannot get the fingerprint sensor. Moving to the hardware department. This smartphone runs on Snapdragon 410 chipset because this smartphone launched in 2015, so that's why the hardware in this smartphone it's not that great. With the help of 2GB of RAM and the 16GB of internal memory, you can find the decent storage and the decent RAM management. But the battery in this smartphone is just 2000 mAh. The average battery life you can get in this smartphone. One good thing is that it supports 4G VoLTE, so that's why you can use Jio SIM with very ease. In the software department, I'm very much disappointed because this smartphone still runs on Android Lollipop and there is a no Marshmallow update or Nougat update you can find this smartphone. That is a big con I can find in this smartphone. But the cameras in this smartphone are pretty good. The 5MP front-facing shooter take good group selfies in daylight as well as low light, and also record 1080p videos with 30 frames per second. And the rear camera is take good photos in daylight as well as low light comparing to the other smartphone in 6,000 rupees, and also it can shoot 1080p videos with 30 frames per second. The speaker loudness is 20% less lower than comparing to the other smartphone. If you want a slimmest smartphone in your hand, so I will prefer you go for Micromax Canvas Sliver 5. But if you're not interested the slim form factor but you want a performance oriented smartphone, then this smartphone is not made for you. So that's it for this video guys. If you found this video very helpful for you, please give us a thumbs up pressing the like button below, and also subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. I'm your host Siddharth signing off. Thanks for watching.